sa ongoing na PBB, sa mga unang sabay nila, Nene Tamayo, Sunday. Hindi ko na gusto. Then we have isa kapuso ha na busy ngayon sa Batang Riles, Mr. Abed Green. They'll be playing a very important character, a terrorist guy, a Muslim terrorist guy in the movie na kasama ni ang character ni Allen.
Abed, dito mo na sa gitna. I see you.
So, malis siya sandali sa kanyang taping to attend the story, the press meet. It's so good in the movie na panood namin. Galing na rin. Then we have underrated, that award-winning actor, as Sinimalaya Best Supporting Actor, one of our favorite, Mr. Jim Pebanco.
Thank you.
So it's also so good in the movie. Then our showbiz royalty. She's well known as Catherine in Mga Batang Quiapo, the daughter of award-winning actor Ricky Davao, Mr. Ricky Davao, and Jackie Lu Blanco, Miss Ara Davao. She'll be playing one of the love interests of Inigo Pascual in the movie.
Hindi na kasi shoot dyan kasi pangit yung ilaw dyan.
As Janet. Next is a former, I think she's a former PBB also. Now she's a Kapuso actress. She's well known as Zoe in Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Soon, she'll be the leading lady of Gabby Concepcion in Kapuso show. Kaysel Quenochi. She'll be playing also one of the love interests of Inigo Pascual.
I see her.
Here, Kaysel. Okay. Bentria Production Baby. Siya po ang kauna-unang lead actor ng Bentria, kung saan nagwagi siya ng ilang Best Actor Award for the movie Broken Blooms. Currently, he's doing a film, I think fourth film of Bentria, the Graduation Day. Kapuso Hank Jeric Gonzalez.
I see her.
He's playing Rudy, one of the villain in Fatherland. one of my favorite actress, sa totoo lang. She's unforgettable as Lena in mga Batang Quiapo, an award-winning actress, Mercedes Cabral.
Yes.
In the movie, she'll be playing a vice mayor na katunggali ng kanyang katunggali sa Batang Quiapo. Is Cherry Pie with that? Today. He is well known as kilala siya sa mga romantic drama, especially as sa movie na kapartner niya, no less than si Miss Jodie Santa Maria, si Sir Chef. In this movie is so different ang galing niya sa movie na to. He'll be playing a good husband, a good Chinese husband of Miss Cherry Pie, no less than Mr. Richard Yang.
Photo lang po.
Thank you, Sir Richard, for coming. I know we should be. Kilalang-kilala siya bilang Marites sa Batang Quiapo. Now in Fatherland, she'll be playing an offbeat role. Isang mayor na Chinese, na Pilipino daw. No less than Miss Cherry Pie Picache, an award-winning actress. Thank you, Miss Pie, for coming. Miss Pie, thank you for your time.
Thank you, thank you.
An award-winning actor, multi-award-winning actor, nakilala siya sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap bilang Dr. Carlos. Soon he'll be seen in new GMA show, Sanggang Dikit. He'll be playing 3 characters in the movie Fatherland. Allen Dizon. Kilala siya bilang Roda as an actor, but of course we know him as a multi-awarded director. Ang walang kapaguran at napakasipag, Direk Joel Lamangan.
Yes.
Kanina niya pa ako yung nakaaway. And the last but not the least, siya po ang reason kung bakit po tayo nandito. The very generous and kind-hearted producer producer na nakawork namin. Engineer Benjamin Austria. Sir, di ba muna? Okay, thank you sir. Thank you very much. Bago po ang lahat, mag-photo op na po tayo para kung may aalis man, kompleto po sila. Kasi ba na photo op ng mga actors, paano gagawin natin?
Ang compress.
Yung mga babae nakaupo, tapos yung lalaki nasa likod nila.
Lahat daw po ng girls nakaupo, including Direct Joel and Sir Benji, pero yung mga guys na
Move yan. Move si Kazel, tapos sila. Ayan, akit na lang si Jared.
Pedrico, akyat.
Aray, nakalaway.
Ano po kompleto na ang photo
Sir
op?
Diego,
Here po.
Okay, TV naman.